I tell you what, the Antique Kmart box fan going right in the corner of my living room right now brings about nostalgia. Just as I used to witness them as a kid. Soothing, deep sound with a good, mellow, strong push of airflow. Can be felt all the way to the other end of my living room. Now, let's compare the Superior Lakewood to the Lasko 3733, and I've owned this since like 2013. Never really used it except for videos, but we all know that the Lasko 3733 is going to reign over the Kmart box fan, it being that it puts up to 8,000 CFM. Not. Yeah. Kmart box fan will kick that fan's ass any day of the week. Now let's get right down to it. You look at the 3733 and look at these wimpy ass looking cone shaped blades with virtually no definition to them. Look at the thin cabinet. And the Kmart box fan, good thick blades. Very astounding looking blades, which makes it a very meaningful box fan. A nice thick cabinet, the way you know a box fan should be. Now let's look at them from the back. A virtually minute tin can motor. And they have that covered up. Well, they just have a vent for the motor to breathe and have it covered up with like this plastic ingot or what have you, probably to hide the fact that they severely downsized the motor. In a nice full-size motor, which is the true definition of a real fan. And trust me, one of these days I'm gonna give that motor a good cleaning, and I'm gonna oil it as well. Just haven't had, you know, the time lately. Now, this Hunter stand fan, which serves as my living room fan in conjunction with a big ceiling fan, is going to be the prop of this video with the little TV tray right there. All right, the Kmart box fan is spinning them blades very robustly. Now what I'm gonna do real quick is I'm gonna swap out fans and we'll see if them blades continue to spin that fast. Yeah, just swap out fans. That 3733 is the same distance as the Kmart box fan was. And look, the Hunter blades just stopped. It's definitely not prompted by the 3733, and this right here ain't no 8,000 CFM. Hell, that probably ain't even 2,000 CFM. Oh, by the way, the feet that comes equipped with these Lasko box fans probably ain't even necessary, because the airflow is so weak it probably wouldn't even blow itself over. The winner goes out to the good old trusty sky blue Kmart fan. Can't beat one of these old beasts.